How are you? I'm Nadeem. So I think most of people know about me. As a safety officer, I have making this video. So currently, I'm coming here for as a WPR examination. WPR third party examination from the our company side. So I wanted to share about this training, and currently I am as a safety officer position in civil residential project. So I want to share knowledge tips regarding this project. So finally I wanted to connect with those people who is experienced than me, and also I want to connect with those people and managers, safety officers, safety professionals, contractors, workers, because I have uh, experience uh, as a civil construction project, also as a safety officers. I have worked in Mumbai with two companies. One is in Shavna Corporation, the and also another one is BJ Mehta Architecture Consultant. So I have worked with two companies. I think approximately I have worked there minimum above 1 years, I think. Okay. So finally I wanted to connect with me, so I can contribute to my knowledge with each other, and also I want to learn also with you, because while making videos I am sharing my tips and tricks regarding the project, and how to execute the project, and while delivering my thought, understanding each and everything. If I'm making mistake, you can correct me also. I can learn with you. So that's why I wanted to connect with the managers and safety professionals, managers, along with contractors, safety officers and laborers, each and everyone very precious for this journey. So please connect with me. Okay. And also I am in Saudi Arabia, in Dammam. So I can also I'm knowing the standards here. What is the standards we have to follow on this project, and what is the safety regulation, rules, regulation, procedures. So please connect with me, and I want to gain knowledge with you, because I also wanted to gain knowledge with you, and so that is the purpose of making my video.